Hi, honey. Hi, baby.
Wow.
You're my sunshine every morning, light up every moment, make my every dream come true. Oh, I can't describe it. Took my tongue and tied it, sent my heart over the moon. It come fly away with me. Imagine all the things that we could see. Yeah, don't you know that life's a dance? Come take my hand and fly away with me.
Honored family and friends, here we are in the presence of God to celebrate the marriage of Amanda and Ian.
Thank you all very much for coming. I look forward to all of your participation as Ian and Amanda continue on with their lives.
Ian is catching on quickly to his new role of dad, and it's clear he loves that little hanky-pank to pieces.
Ian, these past 5 years of our relationship have been absolutely beautiful. You are supportive of my ambitions. You ensure to make me laugh when I start taking life too seriously. The life we have built together is one that makes me both happy and proud. I am thankful beyond words to have met you. You are my person, and I love you.
Amanda, when I reflect back on our years together, the experience we've shared, the family we've built, and the love we've grown, it consistently brings tears to my eyes and excitement for life.
It come fly away with me. Imagine all the things that we could see.
You are a person that makes all of those around you feel loved and special. You've helped me find who I am in this life and who I want to be. You have shown me what it means to love, to share, to care for others. You've guided me to be a better man and a better father. Your love and support has pushed me always to challenge myself, experience new feelings, and open my heart. With you by my side, I feel there's no task too tall, no feat too tough, and no quarantine too long. I, Ian Joseph, take you, Amanda Ray, to be my wife.
As I look at Mandy and Ian tonight, I see two people in the most loving, trustworthy, and nurturing relationship I've seen in a long time. Note to Ian, don't forget the old saying, happy wife, happy life. It will take you far.
Everybody, wish you two the best. We are certainly here to support you. We welcome Amanda to this family. I know I've been honored to be friends with Ian for so long. Wish you guys nothing but the best.
It is my great pleasure to present to you for the very first time, Mr. and Mrs. Ian and Amanda McKay.
I gave you a very nice amount. I don't know if that's ever coming up.
Is it on there?
No, I'll get it off.
Okay. You look good.
I really hope you're getting all this audio. Oh,
Hey, the audio's on.